I don't get how some of them just shoot up to 8 feet.
Like that one?
Yeah!
I was like, woo!
2 feet in front of me and the other ones are like, oh! So cool. Did you see that one?
It hit it.
It bounced and hit it.
Hello?
Why is it not coming out? Oh, there we go. If I just put this up
Be aggressive, move faster forward. Go, go, go!
Scorpion, look out for the scorpion!
So how close do I get? Like a foot away before I
Once you hit it.
What?
Once you hit it.
I think I did already.
Adjust!
That's it. I'm going in.
Just kick on it, just with your foot!
Yeah, alright.
We're good. We're good.